How to do scheduling blocks in Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your Squarespace editor. Then from in there, just hover to any part that you wish to add that. For example, let's add a scheduling block right below or right around here. Now hover to that part and you can see this add block option. Click on that and then scroll down and locate scheduling. If you can find it, you can also search for it if you want, but it's typically under business. Just drag and drop this scheduling and it should be able to be added right here. I'll drop it right around that and it will enable the scheduling option right there. To use this block, you can start an Acuity Scheduling trial or connect an existing account. So for that, just click onto this pencil icon. Then onto the content itself, you can just proceed to connect your Acuity and set it up, or you can also add existing schedule based on this. If you do have an existing schedule, just input right here the scheduling page link and set it up according to the on-screen instructions. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.